Belarusian cold beetroot soup is a delicious, refreshing soup popular in Belarus during warmer months. It is super nutritious and low in fat and perfect served on a hot day. Try it. First of all, finely cut the greens. Cut cucumbers into small cubes. And also grate the beetroot. Cut the eggs very finely. And in a large bowl combine all the ingredients. Pour in kefir and mix everything well. Gradually add mineral water according to your taste. I usually add about 450 milliliters. Add some lemon juice, a bit of sugar and salt, and mix everything well. And now it's time to try on the soup, and if there is not enough of salt, sugar, or lemon juice, add more according to your taste. I had to add a bit more of salt. And chill the soup in the fridge for about 3 hours before serving. This Belarusian cold beetroot soup is traditionally served with hard-boiled eggs. Enjoy! Bon appetit!